Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from algebra. X plus 1 over x equal to 1. Then it is said to find sum x plus 1 over x plus x square plus 1 over x square up to x power 99 plus 1 over x power 99. At first sight it looks very hard question from algebra. I want you to pause the video right now and try it by yourself. I will be solving this question in two ways. So let me write here method number 1. In this method, I will write here equation number 1. I will write here sum equal to s, and I will find few values of x square plus 1 over x square, x cube plus 1 over x cube, x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. Then we'll find x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5. We want to check after how many values of expressions we are going to get repetition of the value or repetition of the equation. So I will write here x square plus 1 over x square using algebraic identity. I can write here x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2. X plus 1 over x is 1. So I will be writing here 1 square minus 2 will be equal to minus 1. Now we'll be calculating the cube sum. So I will write here identity x plus 1 over x whole cube minus 3 times x plus 1 over x. Now x plus 1 over x is our equation 1. I will write here 1 cube minus 3 times x plus 1 over x is 1. Value will be 1 minus 3. I will get negative 2. So we have original equation is 1. Then with power 2 we have minus 1. With power 3 we have minus 2. Let us find x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. Using algebraic formula, x square plus 1 over x square whole square minus 2. We have calculated x square plus 1 over x square, it is negative 1. So I will write here negative 1 whole square minus 2, which is 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. Now we have to find x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5. So I will multiply x square plus 1 over x square equation with x cube plus 1 over x cube equation. Now I have to take away x plus 1 over x from here. Now x square plus 1 over x square is minus 1. X cube plus 1 over x cube is minus 2. And x plus 1 over x is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now we have to find x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 value. I will write here algebraic formula. X power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 will be equal to x cube plus 1 over x cube whole square minus 2. We have calculated x cube plus 1 over x cube equal to negative 2. So I will be writing here minus 2 whole square minus 2, which will be equal to 4 minus 2. So I am getting x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 value is 2. Now we have to calculate x power 7 plus 1 over x power 7 as values are not repetitive in nature. Now I will write here this would be the product of x cube plus 1 over x cube with x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. Now we have to take away x plus 1 over x. So x cube plus 1 over x cube is minus 2. X power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 is minus 1. Minus 1. So we can write here 2 minus 1 value will be 1, which is matching with our equation number 1. Now we have to cross-examine another value, x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8 will be equal to x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 whole square minus 2. We have calculated x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 negative 1. So I will write minus 1 whole square minus 2. So I am going to get value 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. And this is matching with our x square plus 1 over x square. So I would say x plus 1 over x. This is same as x power 7 plus 1 over x power 7, same as x power 14 plus 1 over x power 14, and so on. Similarly, I will write x square plus 1 over x square. This will be same as x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8. This will be same as x power 14 plus 1 over x power 14, and so on. Now we will write x cube plus 1 over x cube value. This will be equal to x power 9 plus 1 over x power 9 equal to so on. Similarly, we can write x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 would be same as x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 would be same as x power 16 plus 1 over x power 16. Same way we'll write x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 will be same as x power 11 plus 1 over x power 11 would be same as x power 17 plus 1 over x power 17, and so on. And last equation I would write x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6. This would be same as x power 12 plus 1 over x power 12 would be same as x power 18 plus 1 over x power 18, and so on. So in one cycle, there are 6 values. Here we have total 99 values. If I will write values here, so from the original equation, from equation number 1, I will write this is equal to 1. Second value was negative 1. X cube plus 1 over x cube, here I will write minus 2. Then we'll write minus 1. Then we'll write 1. And x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 will write 2. After that, it is repetitive in nature. Now we have to add these 6 values. So if I will add, I am going to get 0. Addition is 0. So up to x power 96 plus 1 over x power 96, we are going to get value 0. So I will write S would be equal to x power 97 plus 1 over x power 97 plus x power 98 plus 1 over x power 98 plus x power 99 plus 1 over x power 99. And this will be same as x plus 1 over x plus x square plus 1 over x square plus x cube plus 1 over x cube, as these values are periodic after every 6 values or equations. So here I can put the value x plus 1 over x equal to 1 plus x square plus 1 over x square is minus 1 plus x cube plus 1 over x cube is minus 2. So we are going to get our answer s equal to minus 2 by periodicity of equations. Now we will demonstrate method number 2. So I will write here method 2. Here I will use sum of finite GP. We can write our sum s equal to x plus x square plus x cube up to x power 99. Then we will write another GP of finite terms. We will write 1 over x plus 1 over x square up to 1 over x power 99. Now I will write sum of finite GP formula a times 1 minus common ratio raised to the power number of terms over 1 minus common ratio. So mod r should be less than 1. Here our equation will give us complex solution. So that is not constrained. So we have finally two geometric progression which we will sum up separately. Let us say s equal to s1 plus s2. So for s1, if I will write first term, then it is x. If I will write common ratio, then it is x square over x equal to x cube over x square. So I will write x. And total number of terms, so I will write 99. For s2 sum, if I will write first term, then I need to write here 1 over x. Common ratio would be 1 over x. And total number of terms, if I will write, then it is 99 once again. Now we will apply our formula and we will get s equal to a is x, 1 minus common ratio is x here. Total number of terms I will write 99 over 1 minus x. Then I will write s2 sum. Here first term is 1 over x. 1 minus common ratio is 1 over x raised to the power total number of terms. So I need to write here 99 over 1 minus r. R is 1 over x here. Let me write our s here. Here it is. Now I will write our equation x plus 1 over x if this is equal to 1. So I will multiply both sides by x. I will get x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. For our equation, x cannot be equal to minus 1. Now we can multiply both sides by x plus 1. So I will write here x plus 1 times and RHS we will multiply 0 times x plus 1. Now from LHS we can write this is one algebraic identity x cube plus 1 cube and in RHS there would be 0. So from this equation I can write x cube will be equal to negative 1. Now I will put part 33 both sides and we can write x power 99. This is equal to minus 1 again. So here I will put minus 1. Here I will put minus 1. So I can write s equal to x in the bracket 1 minus of minus 1 over 1 minus x plus 1 over x in the bracket I will write 1 minus 1 over minus 1. So I can write 1 plus 1 over I will write x minus 1 over x. Now we have to simplify. So I can cancel this x from numerator denominator. This is 2. Here we have 2. I can write 2x over 1 minus x plus I can write here 2 over x minus 1. Now we can convert our denominator same by taking minus common over there. So I will write 2x over 1 minus x. Then I will take minus common. Then I can write minus 2 over 1 minus x, which will be equal to 2 is common. In the bracket, we can write x minus 1 over 1 minus x, which we will cancel and write over here minus 1. So 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So using geometric progression, we can find our sum also. This is all about our method number 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.